What's up, guys? JP the Install Guy here, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. Now, this is a radio removal only, but if you're into that type of thing, please consider subscribing, because that's what we do here. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. And from time to time, I like to spread my car audio knowledge. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel is for you. So first thing we want to do is we just want to take our panel removal tool. I usually like to start at the bottom, and we want to come here and pop off the clips. This whole entire thing is held in with panel clips, but they are extremely tight. So now that I got one side done, I want to pop over here to the other side. Then you just want to continue kind of working it around and popping those clips up. And then you'll get to a point to where we can actually put our hand behind the panel and kind of pull them up like that. Now the ones at the top are extremely tight, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down because I don't want to break anything. All right, so once we get past those vents, you guys will see those clips at the top. Like I said, there's no screws holding this bezel on. You just literally got to pry it off, and then we're gonna unclip that one harness right here. Just set that to the side, and the only thing that's actually holding this radio screen in is 4 7mm bolts, so we'll take those out. And now that we have those bolts out, that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, I just have to get back here so I can tap into the high-level speaker output wires from my line output converter. So this is actually going to be it for this video. If you guys want to know how to install a LOC, I will have links in the description. Those cards should be popping up right here in the corner. And for anybody who needs those factory wiring colors, I give that information to all of my Patreons. You guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, so I make sure I go the extra mile supporting you with behind the scenes footage and giving you those wire colors and stuff like that. And that's the platform that I'm using to do all of my one-on-one coaches and teachings. So this will be a part 1 video because I am installing an amplifier in this one. Next video I will be showing you how to get through that firewall. But if you find any type of value, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. All those links are in the description. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day.